Hey there, festive friends! Today, let's embark on a magical journey as we unwrap the enchanting evolution of everyone's favorite holiday icon, Santa Claus. From ancient legends to the modern symbol of joy, this is the story of how Santa became the heart of Christmas in just a few minutes. Santa Claus, the beloved symbol of Christmas joy and gift-giving, has a fascinating and magical history that spans centuries. The legend of Santa finds its roots in the generosity of Saint Nicholas, a 4th-century Greek bishop known for his acts of kindness. Over time, this figure merged with the English Father Christmas, the Dutch Sinterklaas, and various other traditions, creating the global icon we know today. In the 19th century, artists like Thomas Nast and the famous poem, A Visit from St. Nicholas, played a crucial role in shaping Santa's modern image. The iconic red suit, white beard, and jolly demeanor became firmly established. Notably, Coca-Cola's marketing in the 1930s contributed to popularizing this image further. Santa's influence extended beyond illustrations to music, literature, and films. He became a central figure in family traditions, embodying the spirit of joy and goodwill. The famous 1897 editorial, Yes, Virginia, There is a Santa Claus, captured the essence of Santa's enduring magic. Today, Santa Claus is a universal symbol of holiday cheer, recognized around the world with regional variations. Despite his mythical origins, Santa continues to unite people, reminding us of the joy of giving and the magic of Christmas. Whether you call him Santa, Saint Nick, or Kris Kringle, the enchantment lives on, making Christmas a season filled with warmth, laughter, and goodwill. If you enjoyed this whirlwind tour of Santa's evolution, hit that like button, subscribe, and join our festive family. Remember, the magic of Christmas is not just in the presents but in the joy we share. As we wrap up, Merry Christmas, my friends, keep the magic alive.